Oh my god. It's a mound. What? What is up, guys? Trekking342 here, and I'm here because I'm getting terrified right now because there's things out that way just making noises. There are demons somewhere that way. If you can't hear them or not, I don't know. So I decided I'd just take a video. You know, maybe make the sequel to the nature Vidya that I did. Because, you know, people care about what I'm doing, right? No, they don't. But also it makes me comfortable talking to myself, and I might as well have a reason to talk to myself. So here we are. So yeah, here we are. The usual thing. Here's a big chomp chomp on the ground. There's the forest as usual. You know, nice and foresty. I'm still bad at talking, that's why I'm doing this. It gets me better at improvising what I need to say. Moving on. Oh, there's a pile of crap. Might have to censor that because this is YouTube. YouTube's weird now. So. Also, I learned something cool. I learned how to flip a phone. This is normal? Bam. Now you can actually see it properly. Really interesting, right? I'm learning how to make things. Learning how to be a YouTuber. I'm totally going to be PewDiePie. No, I don't want to be PewDiePie. Please don't let me be PewDiePie. Like, I love him, but dear God, is he cringe. Okay, so here's that. Look, more field. Woo! Just nice, beautiful nature. The great thing about living in North Carolina is everything else sucks, but hey, we have beautiful landscape. And demons back there. Freaking demons. Right? Here's a nice old hunting tower with a wavy thing. Wavy cloth. There's a nice entrance into the woods. But I got shorts on, so I can't go in there. Also, I want to get my legs sliced up, which that's not very nice. Yeah, there's also, that's another place I used to be able to enter there, but, and there used to be, actually, I'm pretty sure there's still a, let's see, there might still be a giant log back there, because there's a really big tree that fell, or I guess it was pushed down, but we used to go on it. There went a bunny. Yeah, we used to go on it, and just kind of climb around on it, but yeah, you can't see it in there anymore. It's just, it's a full forest again. This place was cut down, like the wood was cut down, sold for a bunch of money. Actually, not really that much money, because we have useless wood, but now it's all back and growing. So that's beautiful, right? So yeah. I never really come out here that often, mainly because, you know, who wants to go outside? But when I do, it is, like, I'm reminded, oh yeah, I live in a beautiful place. How about that? Too bad video games aren't this beautiful, right? Nah, some of them are, but life for living. Might as well live some of it outside, right? Oh, also, what is that? Freaking Mountain Dew. Really? Really? Yeah. Out here, so right now they have soybeans planted. It's like, we either have soybeans or wheat. But they harvested the wheat last month. That's what I'm crunching around in, so yeah, now they have beautiful green babies. Soybeans. Yeah. And now, to wait for these to grow up unnaturally fast because everything's heavily modified. Because, you know, GMO is great and all, right? Right? We still like GMO? So, and then not to mention all the beautiful chemicals they spray. Like, I mean, I love spray tractors. They're cool. They sound really cool. They look cool. Don't breathe in any stuff they have. That'll kill you. That's probably how I'm gonna die. So I've been outside like almost my entire life since I was a little kid. Like a really little kid. I loved being outside whenever tractors were out because I'm a country boy. I like tractors. So I'd be out there when they're spraying all the stuff. And that's probably how I'm gonna die, because kids don't breathe in chemicals. Especially meth. Don't do that. Yeah, just one thing I noticed here. It's a nice deer print. And there's a couple around in here. Because we have thousands of deer out here, honestly. That's why it's like, whenever it's hunting season, you see none of them. Whenever it's not hunting season, there's just 5 billion that you see when you just look out the window. See, they're all on the field. And that's the way life goes, right? Oh yeah. It's my friend, the ditch. That was really not epic. You know, I mean, I could have just stepped over it. But why step over something when you can hoocha over it? I'm sorry for that dizzying motion. Now everyone with motion sickness is probably dying. Cool. Actually, if you even made it this far into the video, I applaud you. Like, there's no reason to be this far into the video, let's be honest. I don't know what I'm doing. You don't know what you're doing if you're here, but I love you all the same. And, yeah, words. I can't say it. That beautiful noise. But yeah, apparently found another demon track. Because that's where all the demon noises are coming from. Even though that's an animal track, but we'll just call it a demon track because that sounds cooler. Alright, so I'm sorry for all that cringe fest that you just witnessed, but hey, you're on my channel, what did you expect? So I guess thanks for watching, see you later. Like if you like it, but of course you don't, so you're not gonna like it. No one ever likes these videos. Why am I making this? Who knows? Alright, see you later, have a good day, goodbye. There's a deer over there just staring at me. Staring at each other. Yep, that's right. Run away. Run away. Run. And that's that. There's the demon noise again. God, someone needs to close that portal to hell. It's getting annoying. Popper. Popo. Sophie. Hey. Move. Spot. Walk. On ESI. Fuck your beams.